to the GPS there, but some serious windy roads going along here. I was having such a laugh now. I actually was trying to use my translate app on my phone. An old guy was sitting here while I was putting in fuel at this Repsol garage, and I kind of asked me something, and I said to him I didn't understand what he was saying, so I took out the app and we were trying to figure out the app, and every time I asked him to actually speak into the app, he didn't quite know what to do. So I kept telling him, well, just talk into the app and then you can ask me any question you like. So every time I held the phone, the chap he didn't actually want to talk. He was quite thin, and then we ended up having an absolute laughing fit together. So that was really cool. Yeah, I kind of stopped here after leaving the north of Spain, heading down south towards Pinto area in Portugal, and holy crap, I kind of cut it fine. I've got a 23-litre fuel tank and I put in 22.5 litres, so I was kind of crapping myself hoping that I would get to this fuel station. Anyway, it was worthwhile for the laugh meeting this chap. So anyway, onwards and upwards, and yeah, I've got a 330-kilometer ride through some incredible mountainous areas here of northern Spain, and really looking forward to it. It's a bit windy, but yeah, it's about 25 degrees, so happy days.